this video we are going to be learning about Python in future. So Python in future. In the previous vision, we learned about two versions of Python. But now, what is the Python in the future? So remember, you're still at Palm Hopes Foundation, LIT Schools. You are still with your trainer, Ayeba Martin. This is my number, my WhatsApp number. At the same time, this is my email address. And we are making computing easier. And in this way, we are making computer programming easier. And now we are on Python programming. Let's continue and see Python in future. So Python is evolving every day, and Python 3 times 3.x, that is 3.11, 3 point something 11 and above, is receiving regular updates. That is where we stopped in the previous video. So let us continue. So I recommend that you go back and watch tutorial this video that we just uploaded. So let's continue. Python's developer community is focusing on performance improvements, making it more efficient while retaining its ease of use. So let's continue and see. Python is being heavily used for machine learning, that is AI and data science. So for sure, its future remains bright, meaning that the future of Python looks bright. So its role in these rapidly growing fields ensures that Python will stay relevant for years. So we are saying that Python is also increasingly becoming the first programming language taught in schools and universities worldwide, solidifying its place in the tech landscape, solidifying its place in the tech landscape. So let us continue. So we are having what we call frequently asked questions about Python history. The frequently asked questions about Python history. What are these frequently asked questions about Python history? Number one is we are having who created Python? And I think by now you can answer. That is Python created by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer, and it was started in Netherlands. So let's continue. Why Python is called Python? Why Python is called Python? Python does not have any relation with a snake. So as many people think that Python is also a snake, but now in this case, we are saying that Python does not have any relation to a snake. So we are saying that the name of the Python programming language was inspired by a British comedy group, Monty Python. So let's continue. Number three, when was Python's first version released? So Python's first version was released in February 1991. So these are the small things that we need to put into our head, into our mind. So let's continue. What was the first version of Python? What was the first version of Python? So we are saying that Python's first version was Python 0.9.0. So let's continue. When was Python 3.0 version released? The Python 3.0 version was released in December 2008. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Let us meet in the next video.